What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this front plate bracket and front bumper trim on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. We're going to take this trim off and this plate bracket. We have the headlights out. We're doing multiple videos, so you don't need to have the headlights out just to do this. But in this video, we have them out. Just take a trim tool and just come over here, just pry up underneath. Try to pry this out a little bit. And being careful not to scratch the paint or anything. Clip right there. All right, pull that off. There's clips there. That's where all the clip locations are. And we'll do the same with the other side. Now you can take out your plate screws. These may differ from vehicle to vehicle. There's two Phillips head screws right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver, take those out. I'm just gonna peel this back and use my trim tool. Just pry this out. Pop that out. Those are the clips that are holding it in. Right there. Slide that off. To reinstall this, remember the clips. Line the clips up. And push it on. Good. The two Phillips head screws, the Phillips head screwdriver. Get this one lined up as well. And just snug those up, not too tight. It is plastic. Put the plate back on at this time. Use the screws that it came with. These happen to be 10mm bolts or screws. Now take this trim, just line these clips up. Get those started back there. Get that like that. And do the same on this side. Line that up. We want this to go in that way. There we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.